Welcome to Master Domaining. I'm Gene Pimentel, and in this session, I want to talk about vital keyword research and why the gurus are wrong. I'm often asked about the Google Keyword Planner tool, and many are surprised when I tell them that this is usually not the best tool to use for keyword research. It amazes me that so many teachers, aka gurus, in the internet marketing space will tell you to use Google's Keyword Planner tool for market research when this is actually the last thing you should do. Here's why. The Google Keyword Planner is designed for Google's paid advertising program called AdWords. AdWords hides valuable keywords that are commonly typed into Google search. Crazy, right? You'd think you're getting the best list of keywords from Google's Keyword Planner, but you're not. They are suitable for AdWords campaigns, but they're not the best keywords for conducting research for domain names or for market research. The reason for this is the keywords found in this tool do not reflect what people are actually searching for. The keywords are mostly general for the purpose of fitting in with the AdWords program. But have no fear, I have a way for you to tap in to the very best keywords by utilizing another one of Google's tools called Google Autocomplete. And you can learn more about that feature at this link. The autocomplete feature is what you see when you go to Google and begin typing in a search term. You'll see a list of other suggested keywords appear. These keywords are exactly what people are typing in when conducting searches, and Google suggests the most relevant keywords based on your input. The problem is, you'll only see a short list of suggestions. Each time you type in a new character, the suggestions change accordingly. Now keep in mind, it is in Google's best interest to provide this autocomplete feature to show users the most relevant keywords. After all, that's the purpose of a search engine, to retrieve the most relevant websites and to help users find the most relevant content for their search query. In Google's own words, autocomplete predictions are automatically generated by an algorithm without any human involvement based on a number of objective factors, including how often past users have searched for a term. That's the key. What we want as domainers and marketers is to tap into the huge database of suggested keywords all at once, rather than just a few at a time. I have a resource for you that does exactly that, and you can find this resource at keywordtool.io. So how does this keyword tool work? This keyword tool uses the Google Autocomplete function to generate hundreds of relevant long-tail keywords. It extracts Google's suggestions and presents it to you in a very convenient form. I simply love this tool, and it is now my main source of keyword research. So here we are at the keyword tool called keywordtool.io, and you're just going to love how this works. Simply type in any keyword phrase in this space. So let's try an example like gold earrings. And now you have a choice. You can choose any one of the Google properties, whether it's google.com, and you have all the other country properties for Google. So wherever you're doing the research for, you can check that particular site. But I'll use the .com site, and you can choose your language as well. Then simply click on the search button and watch what this does. As you see, we have displayed a bunch of different boxes full of keywords, and the keyword suggestion part of the keyword begins with a letter of the alphabet. Like in this case, we see they all start with the letter A. In this case, the letter B. Then we have gold earrings C, and then C, gold earrings D, and so forth. So it not only puts the letter after your search term, but it also chooses keywords at the beginning of your search term. And it goes through the entire alphabet and gives you the best suggestions based on what people are actually typing into Google. So you have a wealth of keywords to choose from here. And as you can see, this tool uses everything from a blank to an underscore to all the letters of the alphabet and the 10 digits. Now, if you wanted to copy all of these keywords, simply click on this button to copy all. And when you do that, you can see it says 510 keywords copied to clipboard. So now it is in your clipboard, and all you have to do is paste it into any application you'd like, whether it's Notepad or a word processor or a spreadsheet. Now, if you did not want all of the keywords, if you wanted to just browse this page and choose the keywords that you want to work with, let's say we want this one, let's say we want this one, let's say we want this one. At the very bottom, you'll see a tab that says Copy 3, because we've selected 3 different keywords. We'll select this one and this one. Now we have 5. So simply click on that tab, and it'll tell you 5 keywords copied to clipboard. Now all we do is open Notepad, for instance, and simply paste. And there are your keywords. If you wanted all the keywords, let's copy all the keywords and go back to Notepad and paste. And of course, we have all the keywords in this list now. It's an extremely effective and easy resource to use for finding keywords. And remember, these are all keywords that people are actually typing into Google. You can't get any better than that. Now, if you notice on the top, you'll see a tab for YouTube. So if you click on this tab for YouTube, it'll search your term within the YouTube site. And in this case, it found 17 entries. And then you'll notice a tab for Bing, the other search engine. And Bing has found 336 keywords. There's also a tab for the App Store where you can search these keywords in the App Store. If you go back to Google or any other tab, quite often you'll see the number of results are different. In this case, we now have 522. That's because people are constantly typing in new search terms, and that's reflected on this site. So I strongly recommend you bookmarking this particular site called keywordtool.io and keep it handy for whenever you need to do keyword research.